Republicans in Washington are getting closer to passing their massive tax bill, which calls for more than $1 trillion in cuts. And Democrats say those cuts will come from programs like SNAP or even Medicaid, in which 1 in 4 Coloradans is enrolled. I'm glad to have you with us this Wednesday night. I'm Shannon Ogden. And tonight, Children's Hospital sounding the alarm, saying cuts to Medicaid would be devastating to their patients. Denver 7's Colette Bordelon spoke with a family who says Medicaid has given them a future.
A walk around this Arvada neighborhood.
Obviously my favorite dog.
He's your only dog.
May seem simple.
You're doing a really good job walking him, though.
But it's a sign of just how far Johnny McPhee has come.
We weren't always sure if Johnny would be verbal. When he was really little, we didn't know if he would walk.
This is his mom, Rachel, who says when he was only 3 months old, he got sick and was sent to Children's Hospital, Colorado. The first of a lot of visits.
Children saved Johnny's life multiple times. Huh? Yeah.
I would be dead if I wasn't. I would be dead.
What Johnny has is incredibly rare, requiring a feeding tube and several medications every day.
His heart condition is a part of a full systematic genetic condition that affects his smooth muscles, which are the muscles inside your body that help your hollow organs or your vascular system contract and relax.
The condition is costly.
He's an expensive kid, so worth every, all of it, but because we go to the doctor a lot, and every time we go to the doctor, it costs money.
How much?
A lot.
Thousands?
Thousands.
Millions?
Probably.
Billion?
No.
The McPhees applied for a waiver with Colorado's Medicaid program.
Medicaid has given me a window of time to just be present with him. And since we know that time is not guaranteed for him, that feels like a huge gift.
She's been closely watching conversations about Medicaid within the federal government.
There's a lot of anxiety for me, and fear that this program or opportunity would go away.
Congress is drafting a tax break bill.
We're creating an environment in which we're bankrupting the country when over a third of what we're doing is healthcare spending.
And Medicaid is caught in the middle.
Pleased to hear the president on national TV last night during an interview saying that he's not for Medicaid cuts.
But there's uncertainty inside the hospital.
Medicaid is more than anything a kids program.
50% of the children that we take care of have Medicaid, and we as providers take care of all kids the same.
Dr. Monica Federico and Dr. Christopher Stilla have worked with children for decades.
I really want to keep doing my job without worrying that somebody else who's not in the exam room with me tells me how to do it and what I can and cannot offer them.
The McPhees don't know where they'd be without Medicaid.
It allowed me to provide in the most basic ways for our family.
And hope. There are many more walks around their neighborhood still to come. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
In going in depth here, I want to take a look at Medicaid by the numbers to give you some context on just how impactful cuts could be. More than 80 million Americans are enrolled in Medicaid. That's more than 20% of the U.S. population. It covers 2 in 5 children and 1 out of every 6 adults younger than 65.